The madesmart utensil tray, with revolutionary soft grip lining and simple design, brings function and style to any kitchen. Tray creates space for organizing a variety of kitchen and home utensils. Use for spatulas, knives, wooden spoons, serving utensils. Non-slip rubber feet prevent the tray from sliding around in the drawer, while the interior soft grip lining prevents items from moving around. Rounded corners allow for easy use and cleaning. Dimensions: 16.00 L by 13.00 W by 1.87 H in, 40.64 by 33.02 by 4.76 cm. The madesmart utensil tray is great for organizing kitchen utensils. It has 3 compartments for easy organization. Made of high-quality, BPA-free plastic for long-lasting use. It also features soft grip lining and non-slip rubber feet to keep items in their place. Top reviews from the United States. I've had them for 3 months now and I am so glad I went with this brand. These fit perfectly in my small drawers. I've had them for 3 months now and I am so glad I went with this brand. They look nice and are good quality. The rubber on the bottom is what sold me. I would recommend these and other products from madesmart to anyone.